Hi, my name is Amy Ramsey, and today we're going to talk about wholesaling made simple. I, along with my 3-year-old self, have put together a diagram to help us out. So we'll start with step 1. Step 1, you will find a distressed property. This is someone who needs to sell their home at a discounted price. You and this seller will come to an agreement on a purchase price of this home, and you'll get it under contract. Once you get this under contract, you will then take your property that you have under contract to your buyers. Your buyers could be an email list. It could be a list of people that you know in the community that have money to purchase this contract. Then you're going to, out of the buyers, you're going to find one buyer that's interested in this property for the price that you're willing to sell it for. And you're going to go take your contract that you have, and you will then assign it to your buyer. This is step 4. So step 4, you will come into contract between you and your buyer to purchase this property. Step 5, you're going to take these contracts to your title office, and they're going to put together all of your paperwork for you. When they're done processing and putting together the title work, they will call everyone into the office to do their portion of the contract. So your seller will come in and do his portion. Your buyer will come in and sign their portion. You will come in and sign your portion. Once step 6 is done and the title office has all the contracts closed, we will move on to step 7. This is where we all want to be, money in our pocket. Now, how step 7 happens is very simple. Say step 1, you have agreed to purchase this property from your seller at $100,000. You get it under contract for $100,000. You take it to your buyers and you say, I want to assign this contract for $110,000. You have one buyer step up and says, yes, I want to buy this house for $110,000. You'll go under contract with him. The title office will then do all the paperwork. They will pay off your seller at $100,000. They will put the property in your buyer's name, so now your buyer owns this property, and then they will also send you your $10,000 check for doing the transaction. This is how we get to step 7. If you have any other questions or you want to learn more about wholesaling, please leave me a message in the comments. You can send me a message anywhere: Facebook, Instagram, on the website investorbucket.com, or leave a message down below and I will reach out to you as soon as I can.